We had really small batches. It was mostly 10 to 20 people per batch, and it made it very easy to communicate with each other, and also to keep one-to-one interactions with the teachers. Because we had smaller batches, the understanding was clear. There was a bit stronger bond, I would say. And yeah, it was a very exciting journey for me, because I actually joined this program to, jog up my creative side of the brain after leaving the journalism part. But then, having worked for more than 2 years and then going back to the college for a full-fledged PG program, it wasn't a really great idea. And then when I came across the diploma program, which was kind of giving me the perfect solution, it was of short period of time. It also coached me for various things and also promised me a job guarantee. Most importantly, there was this very unique concept of breaking off a course for certificate or continuing for a diploma that was very interesting, and it was really something new that I hadn't seen anywhere else. So it was like, if I didn't like the program, I could just leave with a certificate in a half a year with quite a number of skills. And so without any second thought, I just jumped right in. But being a online program, I honestly thought that it would be more like conversations through mails, pre-recorded classes or stuff like that. But the kind of interaction classes we had was something that I didn't even think of. We had online classes, presentations, arguments, discussions, and it was so smooth but so fast. We were continuously learning and improving, a better designer than the last module, than when we joined, and then the last term, and so on. Classes were thoroughly planned. Teachers were more like mentors or friends, and assignments kind of made sure that we are on track and understood the process and everything. It was like, even if there was a hiccup, Prachi ma'am would say, just keep learning and everything would make sense. And it actually really happened with every passing module. So, what I really take away with me is not only the teaching, is not only the learning or the process or all the techniques, but also all those sleepless nights that we spent working on challenging projects. That was really very fun, and that was something, pressure के अंदर या stress के अंदर designs कभी नहीं बनते. You have to have a calm mind, you have to have your research, you have to have all your material and everything. Yeah, so, and I think the turning point was the feedback sessions, especially the brutal feedbacks at the end of final presentations. It was like any little attitude or any ego we had just crumbled down, and the doors of learning something new opened every time we took in a constructive feedback that challenged our design approach. The importance of embracing criticism as a tool for growth, and constantly pushed the boundaries of my creativity. So that actually changed how I approached my design problems. So yeah, that was it. But being an artist and now a designer is kind of really different things for me. Being an artist, I just thought it's just, some sketches, some colors here and there, and some structures and everything. But then design is really very structured. It's like a combination of both art and science. There is problem solving, there is some communication happening, there is something or the other going on, and just not pure art which other people comprehend on their own. So it was a very nice and rememberable journey for me, and I think my whole class will agree on it.